You can easily flip out objects that you have drawn inside of Toon Boom Storyboard Pro. So to do that, I'm going to go around and grab my brush tool, and then let me just go around and make something. Let's say, for example, I'm going to make something like a car right here. So there you go. This is going to be the car right here, just like this. A very simple drawing, just like this. And then I'm going to go around right here, and that's it. All right, so this is going to be the car, and then these are going to be the headlights right here, and there you go. So let's say what I want to do is I want to want the car to face the other direction. So in that case, what you can do is you can select this out right here. So once you select out the object right here, what happens is that this gets selected. You can go around on the right side, and here you can see operations is an option. If I were to go around and click on flip horizontal, you can see that it flips the drawing horizontally right here. You can go around and flip it vertically over here as well. So that is one way to flip, and the other way to flip is to click and drag around the resizing. So just as you resize, you can just pull it out from the other side. And then what happens is that the file gets resized right here, as you can see. So let me just go around and then select all, and then push this upwards. You can go around and click and drag this around over here, and you can see that I can flip the entire thing just by clicking and dragging up the file right there. And that is how you can flip out objects. And this is how we flip out a vector object. So in vector, you can see that you can select out different parts over here, and you can flip it out as well. But inside of bitmap graphics, so if I were to go around onto, let's say, for example, bitmap, just gonna go around right here. You can go around onto the selection and select a portion of the image right here. So let me just go around over here and select out the cutter tool, select out a portion of the image. You can go around and then flip that out over here as well, and flip it out vertically or horizontally, as you can see. You can also do the same thing with text. So I can go around, type in tutor tube just like this. So you can go around over here. Let me just go around onto the selection tool. You can go around, flip it out over here as well. And that is how you can flip out objects inside of Toon Boom Storyboard Pro. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.